Hello guys! Hot menu, casual frozen foods. And this is what you'll get. These are the prices. Yush. And for as low as that, you can eat your favorite snack. So let's get. Irashaimase datte. Tarinai na kore de ne. Hi, so I inserted 400 in, and I'm gonna choose takoyaki.
Takoyaki?
And it's 120 seconds. So let's wait. So while waiting, guys, this is the tonari. This is 17 ice. And these are the prices. Pero lalangawin yata to kasi pa-winter na. Sabi niya, she's preparing. So you prepare and you wait. Sinukian na niya ako. 90 seconds guys. So it's about a minute and a half more. And gonna get my utsuri. Utsuri is change in Japanese. And she's saying you wait more for more minutes. Seconds na lang pala. So, hi. Ato means late after. Korewa ko no kanji is seconds. So I'm excited for my hot meal, but actually hubby already got his. My assistant, yeah, he already got his hamburger setto. So later we're going to open it and check it out. So it's gonna be soon. And we are at the station guys. So hindi ka talaga magugutom dito. Tadan!
Ay, ay, ay.
hindi ka talaga magugutom kasi merong pagkain dito sa station. O diba? This is a vending machine and it's really comfortable and it's convenient pala. It's very convenient. And I'm almost gonna have my takoyaki. And in few seconds, shun! Tada! Deki agemashita. Deki agemashita. Nabali. And there you go. Here is my takoyaki. Nabali siya guys.
I don't know how to open.
He's figuring out how
I'm
to
so
open
sorry,
this.
my friend.
Yan na. Ano kayang lalan? It's our first time,
It's
by the way.
my first time to...
It's not yours, it's ours.
I see.
It's our first time.
My first time. But then...
Oh, that's how it looks like.
Wow. Smells good.
Wow. Wow.
Oishi ne.
美味しそう。よいしょ。はい、どうぞ。私も開けますよ。ごめんね。私のはたこ焼きです。じゃあ、ここから開きますね。よいしょ。お、すごい。こんな感じだな。
It has no bamboo.
あるよ、これ。
Yes.
No bamboo. What is bamboo, Dad?
Bamboo stick.
Bamboo stick.
Bamboo stick.
Guys, taran! Looks so yummy. Ayan.
Smells delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
Yes.
Okay. So, stop.
Stop.
Nilamon niya guys. Dito yung akin. Hindi siya gutom guys, promise. Ang galing kasi siya ng work. Naka-uniform pa Ayan yung burger na kakainin niya.
I'm not hungry. I'm hungry.
again. Arr.
Mm.
Arr. Arr.
You should try this at home.
Arr. Yung may siya sound effect. Arr.
Mm.
Yum yum.
You wanna try?
It's kind of malamig na guys, so this is how I look. And I already poured the nori here. And I'm gonna grab a bite now soon. So this is what it looks like. This is shoyu. Shoyu is soy sauce.
This is how you eat by standing position.
Where is it? Fishy. Actually, Oishi. Oishi desu. Thumbs up for it. So, if you want to travel in Japan, I recommend you to try this 24-hour hot menu. Yeah, it's cheap and it's affordable. It's only 370 yen.
Pang-apat lang?
Hmm?
Pang-apat lang? Sabi mo, affordable. Affordable. Kala mo pang-apat lang.
Bleh.
Yeah, panis.
Ay, gusto ko ng kumain.
Mm.
Isubo na natin.
O nakaipay.
Oishi desu. Oishi desu. Pangatlo ko na pala. Hindi, mabubusog na ako nito.
Ay, RTG is coming. Hmm? Mana? Dati? This is how hen stories eat when she's hungry.
I'm not hungry. I just eat because I want.
Oh, really? Are you sure you're not hungry? Sure?
I'm so happy with my
Why? What's the reason of that
Bakit?
happiness?
Because of the food.
Mm?
Food.
What kind of food that make you happy?
Pagkaon food.
Any kind? Wow, very nice. Iyo, daijoubu desu. Hai. You should eat fast. Eat. Go. Some more.
Oishi potato. Zenbu tabere natin.
Suriwaski Janai.
Not yet. Okay. What should I say? While I'm eating, I'm gonna shout out my beloved teams. Team
Oh yeah, go on. Yeah, shout out Team Ayayay,
Team Nero.
Team Neo, and to Jason Cares family. Shout out.
Cares family.
And Storyland.
Storylanders. More.
Shout out Bossing Sites World.
Next word.
Yeah, President of Team Ayayay.
Vice President, Jason Cares.
Oh, and Ian Stories, the co-founder of Team Ayayay. Shoutouts sa mga admin ng Team Ayayay. Yukata. At last. And in 1, 2, 3, we're up.
Ayan guys, for as low as 370 yen or 166 pesos, hindi ka na magugutom. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please give me a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated with my next upload. Goodbye!